Discovering what skin flare-ups reveal about your gut completely changed the way that I see acne, eczema, and random skin reactions. And honestly, I wish someone had told me this years earlier. For so long, I thought my skin was the problem. I switched products, eliminated foods, I tried clean skincare, and nothing truly helped. But when I finally understood what my skin flare-ups were actually trying to tell me, everything shifted. And it had almost nothing to do with what I was putting on my face. By the end of this video, you're going to see your skin in a completely different way. Here's the first thing that surprised me. Your skin is not separate from your gut. There's a strong gut-skin connection, meaning whatever is happening internally can show up externally. When the digestion is inflamed, imbalanced, or overwhelmed, the body has to compensate somewhere, and sometimes that somewhere is your face. In the research I studied and in what I personally experienced, inflammation in the gut can influence inflammation in other areas of the body. For me, cystic acne wasn't just random. It wasn't just hormones and it wasn't just skincare. It was a pattern. And once I noticed that pattern, I couldn't unsee it. But here's the part that most people miss, and it's why flare-ups can actually be helpful. If your skin keeps reacting, it might not be malfunctioning. It might be communicating. And once you start listening instead of suppressing, everything changes. And before we get to the part that most people miss, if you'd like a collection of DIY home remedy recipes, be sure and check out my free DIY home remedy recipes ebook linked in the description below this video. This next piece honestly shifted my entire perspective. Your skin can sometimes act like a backup detox pathway. When digestion feels overwhelmed and the liver is carrying a heavy load, the body still needs to process and move things out. And if the internal pathways are sluggish, the skin can reflect that. In my late teens and early 20s, I was exhausted, underweight, struggling with migraines, and I had horrible cystic acne. At the time, I thought I just had bad skin. But looking back, I now know that my skin wasn't the root issue. My digestion was struggling. My liver was overloaded, which also affected my hormones. And my skin was showing it. And here's the question that changed everything for me. What if my skin wasn't attacking me, but protecting me? I'm not a medical doctor and everyone's situation is different, but this is just my experience. When I stopped fighting my skin and started supporting my body, something major shifted. And this is where food comes in. But before we get to that, leave me a comment and let me know. Have you ever noticed your skin flare after stress, certain foods, or digestive issues? Leave me a comment and let me know. I'd love to hear your experience. What I changed wasn't a product, it was my foundation, no pun intended. Instead of obsessing over what foods to avoid, I focused on what I needed to rebuild. Specifically, I used ancestral, nutrient-dense foods aligned with GAPS principles. And if you're not familiar with the GAPS nutritional protocol, GAPS stands for gut and psychology syndrome or gut and physiology syndrome. I began prioritizing meat stock, homemade probiotic foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, beet kvass, and more. I prioritized extra animal fats, easy to digest meals, and I took a break from foods that irritated my digestion. Now here's something important. Nothing dramatic happened in week 1, but something subtle did start happening in month 1. The intensity of my flare-ups decreased. Their frequency decreased. And eventually, the deep cystic acne cycle stopped completely. That's when I realized that the issue never had been surface level. For me, it wasn't about restriction, it was about rebuilding. And rebuilding does take patience, but it also creates stability. There's another piece that people rarely talk about, and I think it might surprise you. But before we get to that, if you're looking for a step-by-step guide to start feeling better this week, be sure and check out my free Gut Reset Jumpstart Guide linked in the description below this video. So here's the piece that a lot of people don't talk about and might be a surprise. Inflammation is often systemic. When the gut is irritated, that inflammatory load doesn't just stay in one place. I started supporting my stress levels, sunlight exposure, and emotional processing because I realized something powerful. If the internal environment is calm, the external expression becomes calmer too. And this is the part that took me the longest to understand. You can't out-skincare an overwhelmed system. Once my body felt supported instead of stressed, my skin became much more resilient. It wasn't perfect right away, but it became stable. And stability is what I had been wanting all along. But the biggest shift wasn't dietary, it was psychological. I stopped seeing my body as broken, and I started seeing my body as intelligent. Instead of trying to fix acne, instead I focused on nourishment, consistency, gentle detox, and supporting the process. Over time, gradually and quietly, my cystic acne completely resolved and stayed resolved. Not because I attacked it, but because I built a stronger internal foundation. And this is the part I wish I could tell my 19-year-old self. Your skin is not the enemy, it's feedback. When you respond to feedback with support instead of suppression, the body can do what it needs to do. So if you're dealing with flare-ups right now, instead of asking, what product do I need? Instead, try asking, what is my body trying to tell me? Start small, add nourishment, go gently, be consistent. Your skin might not need another treatment. It might need deeper support. And if you would like a shopping list for better digestion, hormones, and mood, be sure and check out my free Real Food for Real Results shopping list linked down in the description, along with my free DIY home remedy recipes ebook and my free Gut Reset Jumpstart Guide linked down below. Now that you know what skin flare-ups reveal about your gut, you might be wanting to start focusing on eating for better gut health, but how do you do that? It all starts by watching this video next here, where I share what I eat in a week for clear skin, because when you pair what you've just learned in this video with what you're about to learn here, it's so much more powerful. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.